I bought the Childish Little Wish dollhouse. I bought the Childish Little Wish dollhouse with the little roller coaster. And it has the little robots. Can't see real good. Came with all these materials. It looks like it's going to be an easy build. It looks like it's going to be a quick thing, something you could do with for your son. And they have a pink one for girls. And then here's the papers. And in the box you get a small manual. The manual's pretty small this time. Maybe you can get a little bit of picture. See the little roller coaster. And you got your pieces, your walls. And it does come with a dust cover and the battery cover. And there's not a whole lot of pieces. Yeah, so I'm guessing, you know, here, look, with the walls, the battery cover, here's the amount of pieces in this one bag. The directions, of course, are in Chinese, as usual. But there's like maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 pages of directions. Doesn't look hard at all. Looks like it's going to be fun. So I just wanted to show you that in case anybody was interested. I got it off banggood.com, which I still never got that kit they owe me, and I'm guessing I never will. So I've kind of started ordering off of Amazon if I can now, till they get their things right. I've also noticed that being a VIP member doesn't really have any benefits, because unless you spend a certain amount, you don't get shit. So and that's it. I just thought I'd do an unboxing of it until I can see somebody that does a video of it, because maybe I'll be able to finish it and have the first video up, but highly doubtful. You guys have a great day out there. Bye.